Hey, this is Dan Purser, Dr. Dan Purser. I'm here at Timekeeper in Lehigh, and they just repaired my Breitling. I have a Chronomat GMT, a B04, and they've done a fantastic job on it. It fits beautifully, and it's a great watch. I love it, and you guys should use Timekeeper for these kind of things. They're actually very well priced. They're incredibly competent, and they do a great job. And they didn't ask me to do this, by the way. I just volunteered because I'm so happy with the work they did. Look at Timekeeper. Thank you. Bye.